So let's first see how to create a task using the mobile application in the Expal app. So click on the Expal app. This will be the home page of the Expal in the mobile. So on the right top you are seeing a create task button. Hit on the create task button. We are seeing two fields. One is mandatory input and the optional input. We will focus on the mandatory input for now. So first comes the title. What is the task title? What is the task the user is gonna perform? Say for example, I am taking the task title as increase cheese production. So this will be our task title. So increase cheese production is the task which your user is gonna perform. So next comes the start date. When the task is gonna start. Say for example, if the task has to be started from tomorrow, you can click on the tomorrow's date and then submit. Okay. Next comes the end date. By when the task has to be completed. Say for example, the task has to be completed within 1 week of the time. We can select accordingly. Next, the task executor or the owner. Here the task executor means who is gonna perform the task, who is the responsible person to complete this task. So here we will assign task to Vipin. This is all for demo purpose. So supervisor can be same as a creator or any different supervisor. That's it. So these are the mandatory inputs. Below are the optional inputs which is by default captured by the system. If any additional details has to be given, you can use this optional field, else mandatory input will be do better to create a task. So on the top you can see a create button. Hit on the create button. So the task is successfully created. On the home page, on the active items, if you click on the active items, you will see you have created a task called increase cheese production and you are the supervisor of this task.